Good morning, my dear students. Welcome to the English class. Today we are going to learn a new poem, The Mountain and the Squirrel. The mountain and the squirrel had a quarrel, and the former called the latter Little Prig. Bun replied, You are doubtless very big, but all sorts of weather must be taken together. Here, the line, all sorts of weather, is different in the actual poem. In the poem of Ralph Waldo Emerson, the line is written, but all sorts of things and weather. To make up a year and a sphere, and I think it no disgrace to occupy my place. If I am not as large as you, you are not as small as I, and not half so spry. I'll not deny you make a very pretty squirrel track. Talents differ, all is well and wisely put. If I cannot carry forests on my back, neither can you crack a nut. What is the poem about? The poem is about a quarrel between the mountain and the squirrel. Who had a quarrel? The mountain and the squirrel had a quarrel. The mountain and the squirrel had a quarrel. The former called the latter Little Prig. Here, former is the mountain and latter is the squirrel. Look at the difference between former and latter. The opposite of former is latter. Former means first one, latter means last one. And the former called the latter Little Prig. Prig means a proud, righteous creature, a person who shows too much correctness in behavior is called prig. Bun replied. Here, Bun is a squirrel. Squirrel is called Bun. Bun replied, You are doubtless very big. Doubtless means no doubt. Mountain is very big, but all sorts of weather must be taken together. Weather means state of atmosphere. Look at the difference between weather and weather. Weather means state of atmosphere. There are many kinds of weather: rainy, cloudy, foggy, sunny, snowy, and windy. To make up a year and a sphere. Sphere means our Earth planet. It's called sphere. And I think it no disgrace. The squirrel says, It is no disgrace. Disgrace means shame, insult, disrespect. To occupy my place. Occupy means to hold. If I am not as large as you, you are not as small as I. The mountain is big. What can it do and what cannot? The mountain is big. It can carry forests on its back, but it cannot crack nuts. The squirrel is small. What can it do and what cannot? The squirrel is small. It can crack nuts, but cannot carry forest on its back. Who is I in the first two lines refer to? I in the last two lines refers to the squirrel. How are they different from each other? They are different from each other by their size and talent. Here is an interesting GIF for you. See how the squirrels hide their nuts in the ground. Squirrels hide nuts in the ground. So that we find natural forests. It is the talent of the squirrel. Squirrels are pretty, means beautiful. Squirrels can make their squirrel track. Track means narrow path. Talents differ. All is well and wisely put. Talent means abilities. Squirrels have abilities to crack nuts. All is well and wisely put means natural. The God has given natural abilities to all the creatures. Here are some word meaning for you. Spry means active and cheerful. Squirrels are active and cheerful. They can make track means narrow path through the mountain. Talent means natural ability. Crack means break. See the last two lines of the poem. If I cannot carry forest on my back, neither can you crack a nut. The squirrel says that it cannot carry forest on its back. Neither can you crack a nut. Mountain cannot crack a nut. So that the squirrel says talents differ. All is well and wisely put. Wisely put means the creator has put all the things in their proper position. Here, the American poet Ralph Waldo Emerson has used so many rhyming words: ear, sphere, eye, spry, put, nut, prig, big, weather, together, farmer, letter, quarrel, squirrel. Here some clues are given to you. The small creature in this poem. Who is small creature? Single word. Answer is squirrel. Angry argument means quarrel. It can carry forest on its back. Who can carry forest? Mountain. The opposite of small is big. It means earth. Sphere means earth. Insult means disagree. Disgrace. Insult means disgrace. Abilities means talents. Doubt means doubtless, no doubt. Without doubt, doubtless. Thanks for watching the video. Write down all the question answers in your copy and remember,